Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money from PayPal to Chime card. Now unfortunately you cannot do a proper PayPal transaction or a proper PayPal transfer because unfortunately you can only transfer from PayPal to PayPal. Now the only thing you can do is you need to add a bank account into your account. So you're going to go into the activity section, go to wallet, then you're going to go into bank account and cards. Now, because my bank account is already linked, I unfortunately cannot show you. So I'm going to show you this screen where I'm going to take you step by step with another blog for help, so you guys can understand a little bit more about it. Unfortunately, you cannot do a business transaction. You need to do a personal account. Now, you need to do your bank account sort code and your account number. Chime card is going to have those two when you've signed up for the Chime card, and also once you've got your Chime card debit card at home physically. They have the sort code and the account number, and all you need to do is you need to add them into these two, and you press agree and link. Once they've been linked, you can go into the withdrawal method from PayPal, and you'll be able to withdraw money from PayPal into Chime card. So you've just transferred money from PayPal into your Chime card. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.